Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste. In today's video, we shall be learning to chant the 18th shloka of Hayagriva Stotram and understand its meaning. First, let us learn it word by word. Svair anubhavas twadadhina bhavaha samriddha viryas tvad anugrahena vipaschito natha taranti mayam vaiharikim mohana pinchikam te. Svairanubhavastvadadhina bhavaha Svairanubhavastvadadhina bhavaha samriddha viryastvadanugrahena samriddha viryastvadanugrahena vipaschito natha taranti mayam vipaschito natha taranti mayam vaihariki mohana pinchikam te vaihariki mohana pinchikam te. Svairanubhavastvadadhina bhavaha samriddha viryastvadanugrahena vipaschito natha taranti mayam vaihariki mohana pinchikam te. Now let us see the meaning of this verse. Tvad adhina bhavaha, those who place their minds at your feet. Tvad anugrahena, by your grace. They become samriddha viryaha, well developed in strength. Svaihi anubhavaha, they experience their real selves effortlessly. Te vipaschitaha, these jnanis who have viveka. Mohana pinchikam vaihariki mayam taranti, they are able to cross over, transcend Maya. Maya creates an illusion of reality, much like how a bunch of peacock feathers is used by magicians to hypnotize the audience. In this shloka, Swami Vedanta Desikar emphasizes the three qualities of a devotee who is blessed with jnana. The first quality is that they have fully surrendered to Swami Hayagriva. They have done prapatti. That is why they are tvadadhina bhavaha. They are svairanubhavaha. They experience the self effortlessly. And the third quality is they are samriddha viryaha, those with well-developed strength. May we thus pray to Swami Hayagriva to bless us with the same Svairanubhavam, Samriddha Viryam, all because we are his Tvadadhina Bhava. Shri Hayagrivam Upasmahe.